At Hyundai, we consistently aim to redefine benchmarks in the mobility space for a superior customer experience. We are now taking this vision forward with the launch of yet another masterpiece, Hyundai Alcazar. True to its name, the Alcazar exudes grandeur and opulence, matching customer lifestyle and aspiration. Born out of Hyundai's sensuous sporty design language, the Alcazar is charismatic and characterizes a bold and dynamic design. This well-balanced design of the Alcazar personifies absolute power and premiumness with a confident and imposing stance. While the trio beam LED headlamps portray premium and high-tech imagery, the flared wheel arches, sculpted character lines, and R18 diamond-cut alloys express agility with dynamism. Its seamless floating roof design, along with the large DLO area, offers a panoramic effect. The rear of the Alcazar completes the well-proportioned SUV design language and stands out with its distinctive design elements. The magic is in the Alcazar interiors. You will enter a world of premiumness built with superior craftsmanship. The dual-tone cognac brown interiors lend a modern and premium appeal to the cabin, while the wide panoramic sunroof makes a clear statement of grandeur. At Hyundai, we aim to offer new experiences with the innovative use of advanced technologies. And this comes alive with the virtual cockpit design, which offers an immersive user experience with the best-in-segment features such as 10.25 multi-display digital cluster. The Alcazar redefines the large SUV space in terms of premium travel experience. The best-in-the-segment wheelbase ensures superior packaging with 6 and 7-seater options for the comfort of all, making it spacious and welcoming. The driver's seat is designed to maximize interplay between human and technology. And the ergonomically designed captain seats offer an indulging, chauffeur-driven travel experience. The thoughtfully designed second-row premium console ensures class-apart convenience. The unique seat back table enhances user experience with added utility. And the Auto Healthy air purifier with AQI display maintains a healthy cabin atmosphere. The second row one-touch tip and tumble seats offer easy entry and exit into the third row. Dedicated AC ensures exceptional cooling for the third row passengers, while the USB charger on both sides makes sure that you are always connected to your favorite gadgets. Furthermore, the versatile seating layout of Alcazar caters to varying storage needs, accommodating diverse lifestyle with ease. Meeting the connectivity needs of the new age customers, the Alcazar comes with Hyundai's advanced BlueLink connected car technology. Step inside the Alcazar and you are welcomed with a warm greeting.
Hi, enjoy a safe and pleasant drive and don't forget to wear seatbelt.
The technological excellence is further accentuated with over-the-air map updates and interactive voice-controlled wake-up command.
Hello BlueLink, I want to see the sky.
Opening the sunroof.
Hyundai Alcazar is not just about style, comfort and premiumness, but it has great performance too. The power-packed and advanced third generation 2.0 new petrol engine offers an exhilarating drive experience. The 1.5 V2 CRDI diesel engine offers a perfect balance of performance and segment-best fuel efficiency. More importantly, both the engines are offered with manual and automatic transmissions along with drive and traction control modes for a superior drive experience. At Hyundai, safety is of paramount importance and the Alcazar is no exception. The strong body shell comprises of 75.6% advanced and high strength steel along with hot stamping parts and ring structures. Driver assist systems offer a bird's eye view, eliminating blind spots for stress-free maneuvers and ensure safer commute both in city and highways. Furthermore, on offer are a host of active and passive safety features that fortify the safety of Alcazar. Hyundai Alcazar is all set to deliver a premium travel experience, redefining benchmarks and bolstering Hyundai's dominance in the SUV space. I welcome you now to live the grand life with the Hyundai Alcazar.